Hello and welcome back. Now, if you're on the Mac and you're doing your academic work, you might use Mendeley, Zotero, EndNote. There's quite a few out there. Now, there's been an update to Zotero. It's now version 8. So I just want to go over it quickly from scratch as if you've never used it before. Currently using Safari, Microsoft Edge, Chrome and Firefox. We need to add a plugin to those browsers to enable you to grab the information, source information to add to your Zotero reference manager. So the first thing you need to do is actually install Zotero. Tap on the link that says Zotero, your personal research assistant. Scroll down to have a look at the information, but at the top you've got a link here that says download. Tap on it. Click download on the left here. I've already installed it and downloaded, but I'll do it again to show you. On the right, you normally have an option on Google Chrome where you can install the Chrome connector, but on Safari it doesn't have it, but I'll show you how to enable it in a minute. Then go to your download folder, tap on it, so drag it in. I've already installed it, so I'm going to select keep both, so I've got two versions. I've got Zotero 7 on here as well. And tap off it, close it. So Zotero is now installed. I'm going to open it up. Any sources you had before will stay there, you will not lose them, as you can see there. Now I'm going to come back to the browser. It's important to get the plugin to work. Let me close the downloads. Now here's the plugin here. Now you will not see it when you first install Zotero on the Mac when you're trying to access it from Safari. So go to Safari, Settings, and at the end here with the extension icon, you will see it there. You can tick it to enable it there. If it doesn't let you, restart your Mac and try again, and that should work perfectly. Sometimes it doesn't let you tick it. So there you go, we've now installed that. Same goes with Google Chrome. I've added the extension already, top right, by just typing in Zotero extension. And you can see it there at the bottom. And I've tapped the pin so I'll be able to see it in my browser, which is here. Now you're ready to do some research. Before you do, you just need to set up one more thing. Open up Zotero. But if you go to Zotero, Settings, and come down to Cite, and if I come down here and scroll to the bottom, you can reinstall the Microsoft Word add-in there as well, or you might be using LibreOffice add-in. You can also install it there, but Word must be closed for you to be able to do that. And that's the first section on how to install Zotero.